Nissan Titan Half-Ton. The best parts of the new Titan are its powertrain and functional bed features. The big V8 and 7-speed auto are fantastic. Nissan is at its heart an engine company, and the engineers did this one right. Remember, this combination is also used in the Titan XT as well as in the Armada and Infiniti QX80, so Nissan needed to get it right, and right it is. Smooth, powerful, and it sounds good. This 5.6-liter feels like it was designed by enthusiasts for enthusiasts, delivering excellent throttle response, good low-end torque, and a nice kick in the upper ends of the tachometer. The Titan's automatic is equally as good. Gearing and response, as well as the firmness of the shifts, are all spot on. Manual shifts are possible with an up or down toggle on the shifter, which works well. Overall, the powertrain is a great combination and possibly the best part of this truck. After a week pushing it around, I'm pretty sure it would have smoked Vince's Hemi. Other bed features on this Titan test truck that impressed were its 120-volt power outlet and the LED lighting under the bed rail, which makes any truck with a single lamp above its backlight seem old-fashioned. There's an engineer or product planner at Nissan that likes loading or unloading stuff at night, or tailgating.